let's unbox this toy. Unfortunately, someone from the carrier did this to the printer. I hope you can see right here. You can also see marks from being wet. All the bottom of the box was wet, and there is a very big damage on this corner. We hope everything is okay inside, so let's check. Well, the packaging is really good. Let me show you. This came on top, then this piece of foam, and then the printer comes completely wrapped in cardboard and foam. I'll try to remove this. Two handles on the side in order to remove the printer from its case, and let's put it up. Okay, first of all we will open the small box. Nothing else inside. Let's see. Haribo. Okay, booklet. Congratulations on getting the brand new original Prusa printer. The usual papers from Prusa. Handbook, color handbook. Usually they are really good. A funnel with a net inside. Okay, this Haribo. Power cord. 2 extra fabs. I believe it is a printed test with mini Joes. Metal scraper, plastic spatula, flash trim cutters and Allen branches, some gloves, big syringe, spare screws, and a 32 gigabyte flash memory. Here we have something, same Prusa. I'm not sure what it is. We'll check the booklet now. And half a kilo of orange tough resin. Let me put this aside. Nothing else is in here. This is only to show you what comes when you buy a Prusa SL1. Okay. Very strong cardboard box around the printer with its handles and some protective foam. Here it is. Beautiful. Let's turn the printer on and follow on-screen instructions before removing this sticker. Okay. Okay, before I power it on, in the front there is one momentary switch for power button, the USB reader, and on the back there is the power plug switch and micro USB and Ethernet port. Okay, let's plug it on. Okay, in the back it's the main power switch, but then you have to press the front one. Okay, we have a splash screen, Prusa Research by Joseph Prusa. Let me tilt it a bit for you to see. Okay, language select. Please remove the safety sticker on the right and open the orange cover. Okay, let's go. I will not remove it completely. That's enough to open the orange cover. Okay, I did it. Hello. Remove the black foam from both sides of the platform. There you go. There it comes. Okay, looks like it is checking exactly like MK3S. It's checking the height with some kind of sensorless homing. Unscrew and remove the resin tank and remove the black foam underneath it. Just an advice. Either kind of printer, any kind of printer, if you need to remove the vat, place it on its side in order to avoid damaging the FEP. There you go. Carefully peel off the orange protective sticker from the exposition display. There we go. The printer is fully unboxed and ready for a self-test. Continue. Welcome to the setup wizard. This procedure is mandatory and it will help you to set the printer. Continue. The LCD is tilting because this printer tilts the LCD down in order to unglue and stick the print from the FEP. Because if you have a flat surface with a resin printer, when the build plate comes up, it needs to unstuck the print from the vat. But if it tilts a bit down like this, at least half of the print is already loose and has been released from the FEP. So it comes up and goes down again, and the printer levels itself again. Please unscrew and remove the resin tank. It's already out. Loosen the black knob and remove the platform. Okay, it's out. Very small. Please close the orange lid. Okay. Make sure all fan air vents are cleaned and not blocked. UV LED check. We will not be able to see because this kind of cover is UV blocking. It is doing a countdown, 2 minutes countdown.
Can you see the company logo on the exposure display through the orange cover?
Yes, I can.
Tip: the logo is best seen when you look in from above. Do not open the cover.
Yes, I can see the logo.
Secure the resin tank with the resin tank screws. Make sure the tank is empty and clean. Continue.
Please close the orange lid. Smart. Tower axis check. It is checking the Z or Z axis. By the way, this is a ball screw. This is not usual lead screw.
Insert the platform at a 60-degree angle, exactly like in the picture. The platform must hit the edges of the tank on its way down.
Okay, I will try. Okay, it's easy because the screw, or kind of screw, that holds the print base in place, it's 6-sided. So instead of inserting it like this, you just insert it on its sides.
Continue.
Maybe I should close the lid.
Continue.
It is supposed for the build platform to hit the vat. Some kind of sensor is homing again.
Resin sensor is not working. Please check if the sensor is connected properly and tank is screwed down by both bolts.
Measured only 140 millimeters. Yes, everything is okay. Let me try other side.
Understood. Printer is not calibrated. Calibrate now. Yes. If the platform is not yet inserted, insert it according to the picture at 0 angle and secure it with the black knob.
Okay.
Continue.
Homing the tank and the tower.
Loosen the small screw on the cantilever with an Allen key. Be careful not unscrew it completely. Some SL1 printers may have 2 screws. See the handbook for more information.
Where are you?
Here.
Okay. Okay. This is how it levels the printer.
Okay. Unscrew the tank, rotate it by 90 degrees and place it flat across the tilt bed. Remove the tank screws completely. Continue. In the next step, move the tilt up, down until the tilt frame is in direct contact with the resin tank. The tilt frame and tank have to be aligned in a perfect line. So this is leveling the tilt mechanism to find its zero, by the, to say something. If you go up, at a certain point, you see the tank rising from the platform, and that's too much. You need to go a bit back. Make sure the platform, tank and tilt are perfectly clean. The image is for illustration. Image in the handbook. Yes, they are clean. Return the tank to original position and secure it with the tank screws. Make sure you tighten both screws evenly and with the same amount of force. Okay, boss. Check whether the platform is properly secured with the black knob. Hold it in place and tighten the knob if needed. Do not rotate the platform, it should be positioned according to the picture. Yeah, it should be on its normal place, printing place. If it goes like this, it will hit the tank and you will have a problem. Please close the orange lid. There it goes. Adjust the platform so it's aligned with the exposition display. Front edges of the platform and the exposition display need to be parallel. No, they are not. Tighten the small screw on the cantilever with an Allen key. Some SL1 printers might have 2 screws, blah blah blah. Measuring tilt times. All done. Happy printing. Tilt settings for Prusa slicer. Tilt time 4.9 seconds. Tilt time slow or 8.1. Area tilt 45%. So you have all the data to input in Prusa slicer to use with this printer. That said, this is the initial setup for the SL1 printer. After this, you just need to put resin in the tank, slice any model and tell it to make you some beautiful things. I hope this can be helpful for the ones buying an SL1. This is a really easy test. As all Prusas, the calibration is too easy. It measures all the height, the tilt on the tank, etc, etc. The instructions are really good. You don't even know you don't even need the booklet, the handbook, and it's a really easy printer to start with, because it does almost everything alone by itself. So we'll see what my customer has to say about this, about the quality, and hope this has been helpful. Please join us on the next video, and thank you for watching.